Welcome to our guide on how to adjust settings using the Docyt mobile app for iOS. Let's begin. Open the Docyt app and log into your account. Click on Settings on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Here you will be able to make changes to the following settings. Personal profile. Make changes the email address or phone number associated with your account, or delete your account. Business profiles. Make changes to the profiles of each of your businesses and make changes in any of the following sections. Business info, corporate entity info, accounting info, business admins. Notifications. Turn notifications on or off for bills that are due or ready to be paid, approved, or verified. Security and privacy. View devices with access to your account. Turn Face ID on or off, or change your password. And there you have it. You've learned how to adjust settings on the Docyt mobile app. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.